What's up, everybody? It's me again. I just wanted to post a quick video because last night Tropical Storm Claudette came in here, and it's so funny because I got a leak in my van, but I don't know if it's the fan or the windows right now. So right now I wrapped up the fan. If it rains again, I'll see if there's evidence of the rain. But I just watched another video that is about real sealing the windows. So I'm gonna do that this week. Now I'm glad that I put my electrical towards the front of the van. And I'm gonna explain my electrical stuff next week sometime as I have it all reorganized and hooked up together. But it's good that I had it in the front, because if I didn't have it in the front, it might have gotten a leak from the back windows or something like that, or the fan. So I'm glad my electrical system's doing fine. That's about it right now. I just wanted to put a short little video up right now explaining that sometimes you have to check things really well in your van, such as the sealant around your fan. Plus, I've already known that I had some weak leaks through the windows, but we haven't had such torrential rain in a long time, so it kind of slipped my mind. So one of the things I'm looking at right now is first is the fan leaking, and then it'll give me some lead time to actually do all my windows. And I don't know if I'll do every single window or only the windows that leak. But it's pretty easy because there's screws on the windows. All I have to do is take it out, take some acetate or something like that around the window, around the frames, around the gasket and stuff like that, and then reseal it with silicone maybe this time instead of that black gluey stuff. That's what I saw on some van dwellers video, and I thought that was great. So as things are going along, and I'm getting this weird shadow right now. Like, I just realized that in the video. But as we're going on forward, everything's going to get better and better. And I just did order the solar panels that are going to come in on this weekend coming up, which is great because I'll be able to put the solar panels in. I also have the lights and another negative bus bar to go to my electrical system to start cleaning up things a little better, to make it a lot easier to troubleshoot if there's a problem. But right now, I hope everything's good with you. Thank you to all my subscribers out there. It really means a lot when people subscribe because it makes sure that I'm getting some love out there, and I love you guys back. And I will give you such great videos in the future, I promise you. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on the videos if you have anything to say to me. And remember, seal up your van. Bye.